Welcome. Yes. So actually, I already discussed about this Zain. Okay. So what is going to be happen is today I am going to discuss the rest part of unit exam paper. I will send you marks. Okay. Today, and tomorrow, that means the Thursday, I will start the aldehyde and ketone. So today my plan is, along with this unit exam paper, I just want to do the phenol. If I can complete the phenol, okay. Your time is started as a 2:10, so it's a 1.5 hour session, as well as it's 3:40 to or 45 p.m. I will finish it, right? Okay, so if I can complete the phenol session, okay. If not, tomorrow it will go there as usual. So the Friday is, I just want to tell you all, the Friday I don't want to keep the class. So what I'm going to do is, inshallah, Thursday midnight, right, I will upload the video in your YouTube channel, right? So that is what the discussion of the fortnight exam paper. Okay. So that means, inshallah, today or tomorrow I will send you a paper, corrected and paper. What you want to do is, during my class time, right? My class time is what? 10:30 to 11:30. What you want to do is, not only it's enough, I don't think, right? Just go through that video. What you want to do is do the correction and send me the correction. Then I will make you all to present. Did you all understand? Are you all clear? This is what the function of the Friday. So Friday you don't have class. I will upload the video. You already have that link, right? That common link, YouTube channel link, I already given you all. Okay, you all have, right? Yes, guys, do you have the link? Clear? Right? Okay, so go through that link, that video. It helps you all to do that question. I need correction of your fortnight examination paper. And this weekend is, do the correction of the unit exam, guys. And I just want to inform you all. Shall I raise it? Are you all clear? Agree and clear. Shall I raise this board? Okay?
Okay.
Thank you. Right? So what you want to do is, do the correction of the unit exam, right, after I finishes. What is the August first week, you might have the term exam. So that is what, hopefully you can accept the online examination paper. Are you clear? It should be the online exam, right? So the August first week you all will have the paper. So whatever the syllabus covered, after that only I will give the exam, right? So you should be very careful, guys. Please study. Please study at home. Whatever the unit exam, fortnight exam, do the corrections.
It's over first week.
Yeah, I got the news somewhat like that. And you have holiday from 16 to 26. No any classes, no session.
Miss, for Hajj Pernan.
Yes, for Haji Penna. Yes, I'm telling for that. That means 16th of July to 26th of July. Holiday. Right? Okay? Okay. So let's move on to the question now. Okay? We have done up to 3 questions. Now the 4th question is, the question is with you all. I'm not sharing the question. Don't have the charger. Rotation, yes. So consider the reaction with benzene, right? The reaction is given. What is that reaction? Yes. This is your benzene ring. Okay. And when it's react, and this is giving what? The substitution of nitrogen, NO2. Your first question is, what are the reagents used in this reaction? Yes, guys, hurry up, I need answer. What are the reagents? That means if you mention one is not enough, I need complete reagent. What is the type of reaction and what are the reagents? Yes? Alcohol?
Not alcohol.
Benzene converted into nitrobenzene, right? Okay, so now semi. Yes, what are the reagents? At least look at the notes and tell you. None of them done the answer. What is the reagent for the nitration reaction? That is very important. Just sulfuric acid is wrong. The sulfuric acid, concentrated sulfuric acid. It's recording, right? Is it recording? I have started the record. Anyone can check and tell? Yes, it's recording. Right. Sulfuric acid with concentrated nitric acid. The temperature is important at 50 degrees Celsius. So these all should be written. Are you all clear? Yes? Are you all clear, guys? Right? Shall I go for the next question? What is the type of the reaction? Anyone? What is the type of reaction? Yes, Shaheen and Zain. You already done the question, right? You should know the answer. What is the common type of the reaction of the benzene? Yes? Anyone? Yes, yes. This is very, very important. Yes?
Electrophilic substitution.
Yes, this is electrophilic substitution reaction. Okay, so that is the question number part. Okay, and next, what is the active species used in this reaction? I told this word, you can remember. So who could be the active species? Allah. Yeah. Sorry guys. Yes. So when I speak about the active species, guys, should be very careful about that. Right? You know this is what the electrophilic substitution reaction. So the active species, whenever you speak about the active species, it could be either electrophile or a nucleophile. Right. It should be electrophile now, E plus. Nucleophile now, N minus. So that means the species should carry the positive charge or negative charge. Here you can say that is what the electrophilic substitution. Therefore, your answer should be not nucleophile, electrophile. So who is substituting here? NO2. And what is this? Electrophilic substitution. So what should be the active species? Anyone? Anyone? NO2 plus. Are you all clear? Okay. Are you all clear? Hmm? Do I need to say it again, or did you all understand? I need answer, the clear cut answer. Because guys should be very careful that tabulation what I have given in your examination, that is usual format of your past paper question. So I have keep practicing you all for the simplest compound, then only you can do the hardest one. So we have started from the simple one. So this maybe this term, the organic chemistry should be easy, but next term you could not expect the same type of the question, because the first time I don't want to give the very harder question. So I just want to step into that type of the question, right? So whatever, inshallah, if I name once I complete the syllabus of the organic chemistry, even though not for your exam, right? I will do the set up the past paper questions. I want to make you all to do the questions by yourself. That is very important. So this time definitely you won't get the same set like your past paper question, but whatever we study, that type of the question I will give you. That means I'm checking whether you studied the organic or not. Do you have any idea? Are you clear about the organic chemistry? This is what I mean. Because this term only belongs to what? Organic chemistry. Are you all clear? I need answer. I need answer. Are you all clear, guys? Yes?
Miss, the active species, how do you find this?
Okay. Shall I clear? Right. And just look at very carefully. This is your benzene, right? What is the reaction? The benzene, the nitration reaction happens. Then the substitution of what? Electrophilic substitution of NO2. So when I speak, sorry, okay. When I speak about the active species, this word is very important. This word only they will give in your examination paper. So who is the active species? It could be electrophile or nucleophile. Right? Okay. So you said, so how can you judge the active species for the particular reaction? Yes? How? That is the possibility, but once you done this, you said this is what? The electrophilic substitution reaction. So now we are clear, this reaction is what? The active species is who? Electrophile, not a nucleophile. I said, what is the definition for the electrophile? Electrophile is the electropositive compound, which is the element, okay, which is able to make the bonds with electron-rich compound, right? So therefore, it will carry the positive charge. When you speak about the nucleophile, it's a kind of the base. They are able to accept what? The electropositive compound. Why? It's very electron-rich compound. Therefore, it will carry the negative charge. So here, for this reaction, the nitration reaction, we said that is electrophilic substitution. From this, I made the confirmation that should be E plus. So what is the E? What is happening? The benzene come as a nitrobenzene. So what happens? The NO2 is substituted. So we know NO2 is E, and if it is electrophile, it always should be plus. Are you clear now? Are you clear now? Yes?
Yeah.
Okay? Clear? I have asked the question. Yes, your activated species, group, electrophile, nucleophile, free radical, your tabulation. At least from that, didn't you find activate species, active species? Okay, right. And write the mechanism of above reaction. It's given in your notes. Do I need to write the mechanism? Yes? You need? Yes? The mechanism is a given. What you want to do is that initially it happens what? That is you have to find. That is the mechanism you all have to buy. You should know that. Understood? That's why I asked you all to write the mechanism separately. I didn't do that part. This holiday, please do that part and study. While you're studying, just by heart and rewrite yourself. So this is actually is what is happening. This nitric acid oxygen approaches the hydrogen of the sulfuric acid, then it will end up with what? The complex, the positive complex. Finally, you will end up with the activate species, the NO2 plus. Then he is the activated species. We need to react with the benzene. So you will end up with arenium ion. Why? Once this bond is react with your NO2 group, we know already hydrogen is there, so this will form the bond here. This bond has already cleaved, so you have to count and see the carbon has only 3 bonds. How I said? Why the hydrogen we are not writing here, so that is 1, 2, 3. So 1 is less, that's what it's containing the positive. Now what will happen? That HSO4 minus will approach the negative charge, stabilizes what? Your arenium ion. So the hydrogen is there, NO2 is there, right? What it will do is the anion, your base will approach the proton and it will stabilizes by the aromatic stabilization of the benzene, and finally you will end up with, I'm sorry, there is no one. Razor, give me a second, I will raise it. Okay, good. Right? So therefore, you should be very careful now. Again, the aromatic stabilization is this one. Stabilization is able to form 2 plus H2SO. This is reagent. End of the reaction. Again, you got the sulfuric acid. Have you all understood? This is why, and this is what I asked you all to rewrite the reaction mechanism again and again. Separately. Just put the top of the heading nitration and what is the reaction, then write the mechanism. That's all. Nitration is the thing missing. So whenever I ask such kind of the question, you are able to write the mechanism. I definitely ask the question. Definitely. Okay. Shall we move on to the next question? Okay. So should be careful about that, guys. Okay, so let's see clear all points. So our next question is question number 5. Okay, question number 5. So here the compound is given and the reagent condition also given. I made you all too easy, guys. You don't expect. Sometimes they will give the compound and without giving the reagent condition, they will give the product. Right? You understood? So it will have the type of the reaction. activated group? Either electrophile, nucleophile, or radical. Okay, let me do one by one. We'll have another. Okay. What is your first one? CH3, CH, double bond, CH2. Yes, HBr. What is the product? Yes. Okay. Okay, CH3.
Br.
This should be Br, yes. And this is what? Again CH3. Are you all clear? According to the Marconico rule, the addition will happen here. And what type of the reaction is this? Yes?
Radical.
It's radical reaction. Very good.
No. Neutrophile. Wait.
Please take my short note and have a check. What is the common type of the alkene reaction? Common type of the reaction.
Substitution.
Substitution or addition? Is it a substitution or addition? Is it a nucleophile or electrophile? What is that reaction? Yes, I need answer. I won't say the answer. I need answer. Yes? What is the common reaction is this? Guys, again and again, don't do this. So this is symbol, okay? Electrophilic addition. Alkenes and alkyne all are electrophilic addition. Benzene, electrophilic substitution. Alkyl halides, elimination as well as nucleophilic substitution. You should be able to say. So now the word I said the electrophile. And what is their reagent? HBr. Okay? HBr. So if it is an electrophile, you have to select the positive one. So H plus. The activated species. Are you all clear? Guys, are you all clear?
Yes.
Right? And let me move on to the next one. Right, give me a second. Question is CH3, CH2, CH, double bond, again CH, CH. Right. And we are using is Br2. Yes. What is the product?
CH3, CH2, Br.
Why? Okay, I can hear. Your sound is not clear. Voice.
Hello, no.
Now is okay. Yes, so this is also seems to be electrophilic addition, right? So addition of your Br, yes, and this
Single
should be
bond,
single.
CBr.
Again, one is HBr, opposite direction. You know the mechanism, so according to that, it will learn. And this is seems to be electrophilic addition. And what is your again electrophilic addition? What should be the activated group? Yes. Who is the activated group? If it is electrophile, Shaheen and Zain, are you clear? Electrophile means it should carry the positive charge. First, you have to know what type of the reaction. From that only you can decide who is the activated group, right? So here you can see it is the electrophilic addition. So who is the activated group? It should carry what? You have the Br that able to carry the positive charge. Are you all clear? Shahid and Zain.
Yeah.
So again and again I'm prescribing that word. It's really needed until your A-level examination. After that also you should be able to get this knowledge, otherwise you can't understand the organic chemistry. Right? When I speak about what the electrophile and nucleophile, once I said the word, you should be able to say yes, electrophile is the positively carried charge. Right? And nucleophile is what the negative one. The radical is what carrying one electron is a radical reaction. So we have studied the radical reaction only where it's the alkane. So whenever you face the alkane, then only you can speak about the radical reaction. But the alkene and alkyne is the electrophilic addition. Why we are telling that is as an electrophilic addition? Why? The alkene and alkyne have the pi bond which able to make the delocalization, the electron rich. So it will react towards what the electropositive compound. Who is the electropositive? He is the person, the electrophile. Understand? Did you all understand that cyclic connection? I need that knowledge, right? I'm not asking you all to by heart it. Who is typing or tapping the table? Typing the laptop or tapping the table? Who is that person? Shaheen. Typing. Okay, right? So, okay. There is a TV. I will raise this. Again and again I want to write it. Okay. So once the class ends, guys, again join the class, right? Okay. Let's say go for the third one. CH4. Oh, sorry. So here I am using the dilute sulfuric acid. So hopefully, guys, you should be able to understand, right? We have studied. We are telling the addition of the sulfuric acid, hydrogen sulfonate ion, and finally converting into what? That alcohol. Actually, if you add the pump sulfuric acid, you will end up with what? CH3. Yes. 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 Yes, guys, I need answer. What type of the reaction? Hmm? I don't want to write. Tell the answer. Can you remember? We done it. According to what? The first thing is will happen. Okay, sorry. Okay, what will happen when you use the pump sulfuric acid? The addition will happen. So where the CH3, the hydrogen will add the highest number of the hydrogen bearing carbon, and here you will have what? Yes, O. Give me a second, guys. Go. So you will have here is O, SO3, yes, OH. Have you all? Can you all understand? So after that, once you use H plus and H2O with heat, what will happen? It will convert as CH3, CH will be there. This sulfonate, hydrogen sulfonate ion will convert as alcohol. You will get such answer. Right. Okay. So this is what we studied. Rather than using the Kong sulfuric acid, the presence of the water at the heat, you can get, this is step by step. If you use the dilute sulfuric acid, what should be the answer? You will get the direct answer. The sulfuric acid, when you use the dilute, I have given the notes, that is what? Alcohol. So what is the type of the reaction is this? Yes. This is also electrophilic addition. So when I said the electrophilic addition, I'm talking about what? Yes, this sulfuric acid. So it's a electrophilic addition means what? You should have the positively charged. We know what is happening here, H plus and yes, O, S, O, H. So this is minus, this is plus. So electrophilic addition means your activated species here, H plus. Are you all clear? This is what the way of the direction, right? I think you already done in your fortnight examination paper. But when you get the dilute sulfuric acid, directly you can end up with what? The alcohol group. Are you all clear? Yes. Are you all clear? Yeah. Should be very clear about this reagent, guys. Right? If you use the dilute sulfuric acid, directly you will end up with alcohol. If not, you are using the Kong sulfuric acid, first you will get, what is that one? The stable carbocation, that is we are calling it alkyl hydrogen sulfates, right? The alkyl hydrogen sulfates, then it react with the water in presence of the acidic medium at the heat, and it will end up with alcohol. This is the wrong direction, right? So for this question, the answer is the alcohol. If you know the mechanism, then only. I'm sorry, this is plus. Oh, I'm sorry. This is H plus, right? Okay. When you know the mechanism in proper way, then you can do it here, right? Okay. Okay. Right. So now next one. Okay. Very easy. CH3, CH2, CH, double bond, CH2, H2, platinum. What type of the reaction? What is this reaction? Yes? What is this reaction? Yes. Anyone?
Catalyst.
Catalyst, this is what we are calling is hydrogenation reaction, right? You should be able to see the answer according to that. Right? When you speak about the hydrogenation reaction, what should be the product? The addition of the hydrogen. So here is CH3, CH2, again CH2, and this is CH3. Are you clear? I directly just write. Shall I show you? CH3, CH2,